Whoa! Well done. What's up? Yeah, thank you.
एक्सपीरियंस बताइए पहले तो बच्चों के साथ से।
देखिए ज़्यादा तो अभी मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे नौटिका का इवेंट है नौटिका विंटर गलाटा इट्स अ ग्रेट great event because sailing I'm actually very close to because I love water and obviously when you love water you're not going to be away from sailing. There is a place I hope to buy one day where I can do my own I can have my own little I can go for sailing with my friends so that actually I would like to thank Nautica to actually get me to get me here and bring close to what I love the most, so apart from obviously playing cricket. So it's good to be here, good to play with the good to meet with the kids, and actually they were telling me some of the stories as well. I remember the one name for sure, that one guy actually who was number 2nd in this underprivileged from the underprivileged group, and his name was Rajnikant from Hyderabad. So it was good to meet him and good to meet other kids as well. So they were really excited, and so am I.
अभी डायरेक्ट आपकी क्वेश्चंस नहीं है कि फिलहाल आपकी प्रैक्टिस का क्या कैसे करना है क्या है और दिमाग में प्रोबेबल स्टडी के भी अपना वाला है।
देखिए बहुत सारी एम है, लेकिन वक्त के साथ ऑब्वियसली एम इज स्टिल टू प्ले फॉर कंट्री, बट दैट्स गोना हैपन विद द टाइम एंड आई एम एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू डू दैट. आई एम डूइंग माय वर्क वेरी क्वाइटली एंड होपफुली that work is gonna come in the picture pretty soon. देखिए बहुत ज़्यादा अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट है. जब मुझे पता चला, जब मैंने वो वीडियो देखा, तब मैं कांस्टेंट जब से खबर मिली थी उसके बारे में, तब से कांस्टेंट मैं न्यूज़ चेक कर रहा था, कांस्टेंट पता कर रहा था क्या चल रहा है. एंड हम लोग सब उसके लिए प्रे कर रहे थे. पूरी दुनिया, मतलब जितने भी क्रिकेटिंग सर्कल में, उनके अलावा क्रिकेटिंग फैंस भी है और जो लोग क्रिकेट नहीं भी देखते वो लोग भी काफ़ी उसके लिए दुआ कर रहे थे. लेकिन I think he's in a better place now. It was a very unfortunate incident, and that day it's going to be remembered for a very long time. In terms of we lost a soul where he could have been great, one of the great, if not greatest cricketer. He was actually trying to figure it out his game as well when he came to play in subcontinent, and how he was trying to actually work on his game as well. So that was. And he was getting better as well, and that actually shows his character as well. He was a great character, he was with a great character, and I hope that his family is staying strong. And obviously with my thoughts are with the bowler as well. And because I remember in 2004 when I bowled a bouncer to Vermeulen, Zimbabwe batsman, he got hit on his head, and I was actually hoping and praying that his eye doesn't get damaged, and luckily his eyes were fine. And I can imagine what he's going through, the bowlers on Abbott, because I was actually shivering when my bouncer hit the batsman, and he was still alive and fine, and I really wish, and I just give my whole support to the bowler who actually hit him. Because